If you go to Khan Academy's website, on the right hand side, you see it says Khan Academy is a non-profit with a mission to provide a free, world-class education to anyone, anywhere. So just keep this free word in focus and now go to their Khan Amico AI chatbot, which is still under trial. And here, when you try to join it, it says that if you don't have an account, you can create it, but then you will be asked $20 per month. And if you cannot afford $20, then you are not to get to join the wait list and you won't be able to try it out. So at one side, they are saying that it is free, and yet they're asking for $20. Very disappointing. I have never been fan of Khan Academy actually. I have tried it few times. I think this is more like a hype which was created when the founder of this Khan Academy met with Bill Gates, and then got to talk in few of the TED shows and all that stuff. Otherwise, what I have found out, and this is just my personal experience and personal observation, that it is more like a hoopla rather than a serious and really beneficial, a real non-profit thing. The content is really cookie cutter, impersonal, and really lack any sort of profoundness. And there is some explanation of content in the videos, but I think that the whole teaching experience is not there. Also, I believe that maybe it is good for younger kids, but as you progress, the content is not good enough. Anyway, that is something which can always be improved, but this is really disappointing that in the name of a non-profit and saying that it is free and yet they're asking for money. There are a lot of other chatbots in the wild. Many of them are open source, which you can use for free, and you don't have to rely on this money minting machine for this Khan Academy. I think it's good that we have now ChatGPT and a lot of other AI chatbots for educational and other purposes that we don't have to rely on, people like this and companies like this. Thanks for listening.